Hello students, let us continue exercise 5.3. We have already discussed question 1 to 11. Now we discuss question 11 again by the second method. If the sum of the first n term of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term, that is S1? What is the sum of first two term, that is S2? What is the second term, that is A2. Similarly, A3, A10, An terms. Now, Sn equal to 4n minus n square. Take n equal to 1, S1 equal to 4 multiply value of n is 1 multiply 1 minus n square means 1 square, value of n is 1. 4 1 ja 4, 1 1 ja 1, 4 minus 1 3, S1 is 3. So we can say that S1 means sum of first term, that is A1. A1 equal to 3. This means A1 equal to S1 equal to 3. So A1 equal to 3. Now S2. Put value of n is 2, so we write 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 4 to ja 8 minus 2 into 2 4. 8 minus 4 equal to 4. S2 equal to 4. Now S2 means sum of first two term. So we can write A1 plus A2 equal to S2 equal to 4. Value of A1 is 3, so we write value of A1 is 3 plus A2 is equal to 4. A2 equal to 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 means 1. Second term is 1 and first term is 3. And sum of second two term, sum of first two term is 4. Now we find third term. So we write S3. Put value of n is 3. 4 into 3 minus 3 square. 4 into 3 minus 3 square. 4 3 is 12. 3 into 3 9. 12 minus 3. 12 minus 9 equal to 3. Now we find A3. A3 is equal to S3 minus S2. Sum of first three term minus sum of first two term. We get third term. So we write value of S3 is 3, 3 minus value of S2 is 4. 3 minus 4, A3 equal to minus 4. This is your required term. Now we find A10 term. So we write S10 minus Sn. Take value of n is 10. So we write 4 into 10 minus 10 square. 4 into 10 minus 10 square minus as it is. Now we find S9. So we write value of n is 9. 4 into 9 minus n square. 4 into 9 minus n square. 10 4 is 40 minus 10 into 10 100 minus bracket 4 9 is 36 minus 9 9 is 81 bracket close. 40 minus 100 minus 60 minus as it is. 81 36 minus 81, that is minus 45. Now remove the bracket. So we write minus 60 minus multiply minus plus 45. So A10 equal to minus 15 minus 15. Now we find a nth term of this AP. So we can write An equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Given Sn is 4n minus n square minus as it is. Now Sn minus 1. So value of n, take n minus 1. In place of n we can take n minus 1. So we write 4 n minus 1 minus as it is n minus 1 whole square bracket close. an equal to 4n minus n square minus 4 into n, 4n minus 4, 4 1 ja 4, minus 4 1 ja 4, minus as it is. Now solve the bracket. We can write a minus b whole square mean a square plus b square minus 2ab, n square a square mean n square plus b square mean 1 square minus 2ab, a mean n, b mean 1, minus 2ab. Now next, a n equal to 4n minus n square minus bracket 4n minus 4, remove the small bracket, so we write minus n square minus 1 minus minus plus plus 2n. Now 2n plus 4n 6n minus n square minus 4 minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. First expression as it is. Now remove the large bracket, so we write 4n minus n square. If we multiply by minus in the bracket, then the sign of every term in the bracket will be changed. So we write plus 6n, that is minus 6n. Minus n square can be write plus n square. Minus 5 can be write plus 5. Sign change due to this sign. Now n square cancel out. 5 plus 5 as it is. 4n minus 6n minus 2n. 4n and 6n both have opposite signs, so we find difference, and their difference is 2n, and 2n is obtained from 6n, and sign of 6n is negative, so sign of 2n is also negative. Hence nth term is 5 minus 2n. This is your required answer. Now 12th question. Find the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. First 40 positive integer divisible by 6 are as follow. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, and the last term is 6 0 0, 6 4 ja 4, 2 24, 6 4 ja 24, that is 240. This list form an AP because this list have common difference 6. So we can write A1 equal to 6 and D equal to A2 minus A1, 12 minus 6, that is 6. And value of n is 40, and last term is AN means L is 240. Now find the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. So we write formula of Sn equal to n by 2 bracket A plus L bracket close. L means An. Value of n is 40 upon 2 bracket. Value of A is 6 plus value of An is 240. 240 plus 6, 246. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 0 0, that is 20. 20 multiplied 246 equal to 4920. This is your required answer. Now do question number 11, 12 in your fair notebook. Thank you.